I'm going to call these cases. This is case number SP 119-58461, Dracon, Richmond, no operator's license. Case number SP 119-58462, Dracon, Richmond, license improper. Case number SP 119-58463, Dracon, Richmond, no insurance. Case number SP 122-64371, Dracon, Richmond, driver license suspended. Case number SP 122-64372, Dracon, Richmond, no insurance. Case number SP 122-64373, Dracon, Richmond, unregistered, untitled. Case number SP 119-32372, Dracon, Richmond, no operator's license. Case number SP 119-58471, Dracon, Richmond, flag, failure to stop at a stop sign. Let's have appearances.
Good morning, Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303.
Good morning, James Crane appearing on behalf of defendant Dracon, Richmond, P72945.
Thank you. Mr. Richmond, I need your appearance, your name.
Have you guys let him back in?
He's in.
Yeah,
Mr. Richmond,
Yes, sir. My apologies.
give me your name, sir.
My name is Dracon Richmond. I have attorney Jim Crane representing me.
I understand that. Thank you, sir. Is there an offer, Attorney Crane?
Yes, there's been an offer by the prosecutor to drop 5 of the 6 charges listed today with a responsible plea to a civil infraction of blocking or blockading.
Blockading traffic, and which one is that going to be substituted for? Which case number?
As the prosecutor, we talked about it, but I didn't get a chance to write all the numbers down, the number down.
That's okay, it's on the offer if you want to take a look, or I can name them off if to make it
I
easier.
just need, Madam Prosecutor, I just need the case number on the one that you reduced charges for.
Yes, sir. That would be SP 119-323-8, count 3, failed to signal.
That's correct.
1932383 or 73?
119-323-8, count 3. And you know what, Your Honor? The people, if it is, I'm not sure if it defaulted. I can't tell from the ticket, but the people will not object to setting that aside. And Madam Clerk is checking now. We're just going to make sure because on this particular ticket, there's 3 civil infractions. So count 1 is violation of the basic speed law, and count 2 is failure to stop. The people do not object to a motion to set all 3 of those aside.
I'm not even
And
sure
this-
I have those case numbers on those 3.
They may not be, because they may not be on the docket, Your Honor.
They are, Your Honor, but they're split up between 8:30 and 8:35, so it's, I apologize.
Oh, okay. Should I read in the 835 ones also? Or the 830 ones? That was the 835 one. Should I read in the 830 ones?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's case number SP 119-32371. Case number SP 119-32373. Case number SP 119-58472. Case number SP 119-32381. Case number SP 119-32382. And case number SP 119-32383. Okay, so we're not dealing with 6 tickets. Now we got double that number.
14, I
So I
believe.
thought there was only 6 matters here.
Your Honor, so Attorney Crane is handling the 8:30 matters, the ones that you just read into the record. Those are
Okay.
his tickets, and then the other tickets are Attorney Zaranek as House Counsel. He's representing Mr. Richmond on those.
Okay, so for Mr. Crane, Attorney Crane, I appreciate your help. the ticket that was being reduced for Attorney Crane is, what was the number again?
SP 1193238. My understanding, there's 3 civil infractions on that.
Yeah, there's 81, 82, 83. So which one?
Okay. All 3. Well, and we're going to amend it to include a charge of blockading.
Blockading for all 3.
That's correct.
Just blockading for count 3 only.
Okay.
For count
And
3 only.
dismissal.
And the rest would be dismissed?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, so that takes care of Crane. Now, what about Zeranek? Attorney Zeranek, what about these other cases?
Judge,
What's
we're
your
gonna get
pleasure?
a new court date to consolidate all of his outstanding tickets.
Okay,
Madam Clerk gave me a court date of August 1st unless we have a sooner date that's available.
okay, all right. All right, for, based on the representations by, House Counsel Attorney Zeranek, that we are just going to have a new date on these cases. Case number SP 119-32371, case number SP 119-32373, case number SP 119-58472, case number SP 119-32381, case number SP 119-32382, and case number SP 119-32383. What's the new date, Attorney Zeranek?
Madam Clerk gave me August 1st, although Mr.
August-
Richmond was requesting a sooner date, Judge, if
Okay.
possible.
Well, August 1st at this point. All right, Madam Clerk, would you swear Mr. Richmond in?
Richmond, will you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you turn on your video, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I actually been having problems with my video connection this morning due to a new laptop. I apologize. I'm sorry. Just give me 1
That's
second.
okay.
I can do it without seeing him.
Okay. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, pay attention to me, Mr. Richmond.
Yes, sir.
Did you have an opportunity today to speak to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
You said that I have an option today to speak to an attorney about my case and about my rights?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, sir.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
No, sir.
If you're not
Okay.
pleading guilty of your own free will, you're not pleading guilty at all, Mr. Richmond. That means we will set these cases for the same August the 1st date.
Can I have a moment with my client in a breakout room?
Now, we spent a lot of time on Mr. Richmond.
I know, but,
Talk to him,
well, can I,
and he still wants to come and say he's ready to go to trial. I'm willing to let him go to trial.
well, can I have a moment? It don't have to be a breakout room. I'll speak right here. Mr. Richmond, do you understand what you were telling the judge there?
No, sir. I'm kind of starting to understand the severity of it now as the question was reopposed to me again. I do
Okay.
understand I am pleading guilty to one of the tickets, and I believe that you guys are getting the rest dismissed. And then you said that we were setting up a later date for August 1st to put the rest of the traffic tickets together.
That's
And
correct.
maybe
Your Honor,
further-
can I ask my
I
client?
well, I think now that he understands the severity of it, Attorney Crane, I'm going to just start with the void deer again for him on those tickets.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Crane, we're going to start over. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Did you have an opportunity today to speak to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, sir.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
No, sir.
Wrong answer.
Mr. Richmond, the deal on the table is the 6 tickets that happened in April, the ones I'm representing you on, is they will be dropping all the charges with the substitute charge of blockading, which is a civil infraction and basically the same as impeding traffic. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to, if someone's forced you and to do this, the judge is not going to take your plea. Are you being forced to do this, or are you doing this on your own will?
I'm doing this, I'm taking the plea on my own. I'm not being forced.
Okay, then I'll ask you again. Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
No, sir.
It's the same question. It's the same question put in a different way, Mr.
Yeah,
Richard.
my apologies. My apologies, sir. This is my first time dealing with anything like this. So
If you
I'm
had
sorry.
been paying attention, Mr. Richmond, I've been doing this docket all morning and taking pleas. All you had to do was listen to me take one,
Yes, sir.
and then you would have understand how to take yours. So I'm gonna
Yeah,
start again, Mr. Richmond. Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you would waive your right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that you are waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
Madam Clerk, I need the date and time Mr. Richmond was stopped on those, on that violation.
April 27th, 2021 at 4:47 PM.
Mr. Richmond, on that date and time, will you stop by members of the Detroit Police Department and issue violations?
Yes, sir.
Attorney Crane, would you void your client for the factual basis?
Mr. Richmond, on April 27th, 2020, were you driving a vehicle in the city of Pontiac or Detroit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Were you then at some point stopped while you were driving that vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did officers give you tickets at that point in time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you're stating that you were driving that vehicle and you're pleading guilty to a charge of blockading traffic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Crane, I hate to ask you this, but what's the case number on the blockading traffic reduction?
Oh, it's P1193238. Count 3 that's been amended from the original charge to this blockading, if I got it correct. SP, I'm sorry.
Okay. That's at 8:30.
Well, that's what we never did anything but the 8:30, Your Honor.
Oh,
We never completed 8:30.
okay. All right. All right, I'm going to accept Mr. Richmond's plea on case number SP 119-323-882 or 83? 83, which has been reduced to blockading traffic. Per his agreement with the prosecutor, I'm going to dismiss case number SP 119-32371, case number SP 119-32373, case number SP 119-58472, case number SP 119-32381, and case number SP 119-32382.
Your Honor,
Mr. Crane, on this one, you would owe us $175.
Or Mr. Richmond would.
Oh, it's Mr. Richmond. Sorry, Attorney Crane.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, can you pay that? How much time you need to pay that, Mr. Richmond?
I could pay it today if possible. Would I be able to pay it online or would I have to come down?
No, you can pay it online, 36districtcourt.org. We'll wait till tomorrow.
Okay, now one question. The last time I got on there and looked at all my tickets, nothing really pops up, but the case number has no description of anything listed. So it's kind of hard to pay those.
It is,
I'm not sure
but
where to
that's
look
why
up.
you need the case number, Mr. Richmond.
Yes, sir.
And the case number that you would be paying is SP 119-32383.
SP 119-32383.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Can
So
you
as
give
long
him,
as Go ahead.
can you give him,
Attorney Crane.
can you give him 7 days on that in case there's a glitch and I can assist him, make sure it gets paid?
Absolutely, counsel. I can give him 7 days.
Okay.
All right, so Attorney, Mr. Richmond, make sure you talk to Attorney Crane.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're free. Oh, and on the other cases, I've already read those tickets into the record. You have an August 1st court date.
Okay, thank you for having me.
All right, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
And all of the officers